There we go, the sea. I've got a bit of a battery low warning, so it's not going to be very long this. But I just wanted to show you the actual power of nature. Try this as a thought experiment. Pick on any wave, one of those distant ones out there in the horizon. And what do you think it's going to turn into? How big is it going to be? And then look at the foam, look at the shapes of the waves. Is there a repeating pattern? Oh, I'm being heckled by the seagulls. I'll just give you some shots of that. You see them? Yeah, they don't like me filming here. Anyway, as I was saying, back to the sea. You could write all kinds of poetry and things about that. So, January the 2nd, 2017. Happy New Year, everybody. And I'll speak to you soon.